Hi guys, this is how you make s'mores in the microwave if you don't have a campfire nearby, step by step. These are the ingredients that you would need. Graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. First we take the chocolate. Open it up. Oh, this is so melty. Put it on the graham cracker on the plate. Then get a marshmallow and put it on top. Microwave it on high for 10 seconds. Then you put another graham cracker on top and enjoy. I hope you like this video. Hi guys, it's what?
Start again.
This is beautiful.
Start this with the hi guys. Take one step that way. Go.
This is how you make.
You forgot the hi guys, honey.
Huh?
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
You forgot the hi guys. This is how.
Oh. Hi guys, this is how you make s'mores in the microwave if you don't have a campfire nearby, step by step. Yeet. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up for this video.